arrived here at, where are we? Village Natures, Disney Village Natures. Absolutely gorgeous sunny day, only about 11 degrees, but it looks fantastic. And we are just heading over to the park. We'll show you the place shortly. We'll show you the factories. It's actually quite a nice place, but they do look a bit like factory units. Let's show you. Bonsoir YouTubers. So we're here at Disneyland Paris for a couple of days, and this time we're actually staying over at Disney's Nature Villages. We haven't been here before, we'll give it a go. We're actually in a 2-bed cocoon VIP apartment this time, so I'm just going to do the tour of the apartment itself in case you're considering staying here. And we're in room 1801, so we're on the garden floor, which actually isn't on the ground floor. It's actually built above the welcome home and the supermarket, but more on that later. So as we start the tour, we'll take you around so that you can get an idea of what it's like here. And then we go in. As we walk in, we're into a nice wide hallway. Trying to shut the door behind me. And as you can see, plenty of room here as you walk in. Again, this is the 2-bed cocoon apartment VIP in the room 1801. So the first twin bed, usually nicely set out. Gown and slippers already provided. Quite spacious. A little bit of cupboard area here. Quite dark, so you may have to do this one in the morning as well. And as we move from here, right next door to this one is a shower, separate shower, and also obviously the sink. And then next door to that, and surprisingly, is the toilet. And obviously got the seat up. And walk down here, just open this. Hoover, electronic safe. Sorry that it's so dark, but we have arrived quite late back into the room. Small area for hats, seating area. Now if we walk into here, this is the master room with a double bed. Also got a baby crib, didn't ask for that and we've got no intention of using it on there, but obviously goes to show that if you did need another baby crib, it's a good size, looks sturdy, and there's one in the double room. Nice light features, all made through obviously the wood theme being in the nature villages. And here we've also got a television built onto the wall. Just over here, again, more cupboard space. Not loads, but enough for a couple of days. And then because this is the master, you've obviously got a nice area here with one single wash basin. Can't get the words out tonight, it's been a long day. And then just through here you've got the jacuzzi bath. It's actually a very good size. I'm reliably informed by my daughter, who's quite tall, that you don't have to actually bend your legs to get into this. Nice separate shower area as well. There's the utility bath, a jacuzzi bath, and also a wet shower. And then coming through here, got the towels, etc. Into the living area. Nice and spacious. The actual settee there is a fold-out settee. It's a double fold-out settee. So this apartment, 2-bed apartment, I believe can have 6 people in it. Nice little bit of a seating area, and most unusually, but I'm not sure if this will come out, that there is a real wood burning fire. Unfortunately we've got no wood to burn, but if we had, you could use it. Again, television built into the wall. And we're moving around here, obviously dining table. Into the kitchen area, and the kitchen area is very well equipped. Nice modern microwave, fridge with our, look at that fantastic supply list there. One negative from Mrs. T.
There isn't any storage to put your food you bring with you, apart from the fridge.
So apart from the fridge, there's no storage
But
to
it's
put
very
all the
minor.
food. Very minor. What else have we got? Dishwasher. I'm sure you don't all need to see this, but there is a dishwasher there. And then obviously you've got the hob and okay-ish area for sink. You've got toaster, kettle, and also a coffee maker. So it's actually really nice appointed, quite modern interior. And then as we go out, and now we're back into the apartment. And there you go, this is the 2-bed cocoon VIP apartment over at Disney's Village Natural.
You've seen the big...
We've got 2 deck chairs. Nice big decking area really. Probably about 12 metres length. Patio area. Obviously chairs for 4 and a nice patio table. Hammock, chair swing. Lit outside. So nice big open windows. So we're moving into the living area. Nice and warm. It's end of February, so it's quite chilly outside. Now you may notice there are some balloons and other things. These are not optional extras. These are because we have a birthday guest with us this weekend. So we just thought we would try and cheer the place up a little bit more for them. So you have here 2-bed, double bed settee, which pulls out obviously. Actually when it does pull out it is quite long. Nice features along the wall. So this tree here on the wall is lit behind. And you can just leave that lit if you want it to. Table and chairs set for 4, although this apartment can actually accommodate 6. Mrs. T allowing me to undo and show us inside some of the storage. Ah, there you go. I've just been told there are 2 more chairs there. That's why we can now have height for 6. I was thinking that was a slight limitation. But if we move around this way, now an unusual feature here, not the mirror, but below the mirror is a log fire, and excuse me, you can actually use it for real. We've got no logs at the moment, but you are allowed to burn logs, so that would be quite a nice feature on the cold winter days. Television in the corner, not massive, but it doesn't need to be. Flat screen, pretty much French channels, so if you're English speaking only, you are a little bit limited, but then again, who cares? So over into the kitchen, a little bit used now. Got the microwave, nice modern appearance to the kitchen. small, but then again, we're only here for a few days. Absolutely functional. Hob, fridge. Not quite exactly stocked full of healthy stuff. Dishwasher down at the bottom here. And then cupboard space, albeit there isn't loads and loads. So moving back through the lounge into the master bedroom. Now, a neat feature of the master bedroom is you get this ginormous jacuzzi bath. There's also a wet shower just to the side. And as you can see, the jacuzzi bath looks out through a nice big window onto the balcony and through into the lake. So when you're sat here having your Pims or your beer and you've got the bubbles on, you've got a view. Now, just in case you're thinking, okay, what about people looking in? It's not one-way glass, but there is an electronic blind, which we will now demonstrate. So a touch of a button. So come around here, as mentioned before, this is the master room. So we've got a wash basin there. Nice big mirror. Obviously for myself, who takes forever to get ready, as you can see. And then through here into the actual bedroom. Again, the wood theme continues. Really nice. Nice design features on the lamps next to the side. Double bed, which actually is probably a queen size bed. Bigger than a standard double, which Mrs. T is always grateful for, to have extra room. Some built-in storage. And again, just through here, television built onto the wall. So now as we walk through here, we'll just go into the hallway. This is a 2-bed apartment. However, we do have guests in the 2nd bed, so we'll have to take a look at that later. So we've got the standard toilet. Next to the standard toilet is a shower. And then through here, this goes out to the entrance. There we go. Those interested, this is room 1801. So we're on the garden floor. As I mentioned before in a previous vlog, although it's a garden floor, you're actually above the shops, etc. If I just scan over here, show you that there are another 2 floors going on. There are lifts available, so there's a lift that brings you to the garden floor, and then there's another lift that takes you to floor 1 and floor 2. Access to your room is via the fob system here, so you're all given a bracelet and you just obviously hold the bracelet to the fob, unlocks the door, and in you get. So, as I mean, that can conclude our tour of a VIP cocoon 2-bed apartment here at Disney Village Nature. Hope you found that useful. Bye.